Hello, developers! You can't develop a strong SEO strategy when your data is less accurate than online personality quizzes. Worst of all, you're still pulling data from multiple platforms, which is a huge waste of money when that info isn't even reliable. So, you need a single platform packed with precise and actionable insights that make it simple to optimize your SEO strategy. So let's discuss such software strategy today, which will make your work easier. So, let's get started. The software I will discuss today is Serpple.
Serpple is an SEO toolkit that boosts site ranking with accurate keyword tracking, insights, and competitive intelligence.
Features: get a complete overview of your SEO ranking on one comprehensive dashboard. Segment your keywords and track key metrics for each of them. Conduct in-depth keyword analysis and compare key metrics for every keyword. Monitor your site's ranking and other metrics with customizable email reports. And more. SERP marketing with Serpple those can't does with other tools.
Group of information in one place widgets. Understand the progress of keyword performance, Serpple score. Well-organized keyword groups and easy to track. Absolute SERP tracking with in-depth details like our SERP legend elements. Hunt your known/unknown competitors with the help of AI. Competitors are monitored the same as yours, including SERP, ads, and others.
Price: basic, 1 project, 10 keywords, 10 instant refreshes, and 1 competitor for free. Starter: 1 project, 30 keywords, 450 instant refreshes, 2 competitors, and 50 keyword researches for $1 per month. Pro: 5 projects, 250 keywords, 2,500 instant refreshes, 10 competitors, and 250 keyword research for $9 per month. Expert: 15 projects, 1,500 keywords, 15,000 instant refreshes, 40 competitors, and 1,000 keyword research for $39 per month. And Legend: 25 projects, 2,500 keywords, 25,000 instant refreshes, 60 competitors, and 1,500 keyword researches for $69 per month. But they have 5 lifetime deals. Single: 5 projects, 250 keywords, 2,500 monthly refreshes, 10 competitors, and a 250 keyword research limit for $69 instead of $108. Double: 10 projects, 500 keywords, 5,000 monthly refreshes, 20 competitors, and a 750 keyword research limit for $138 instead of $468. Multiple: 1, 25 projects, 1,000 keywords, 10,000 monthly refreshes, 40 competitors, and a 1,500 keyword research limit for $207 instead of $708. Multiple: 2, 50 projects, 2,000 keywords, 15,000 monthly refreshes, 60 competitors, and a 3,000 keyword research limit for $276 instead of $948. And multiple: 3, unlimited projects, 3,000 keywords, 30,000 monthly refreshes, 100 competitors, and a 5,000 keyword research limit for $345 instead of $1,656. Features included in all plans:
Accurate keyword ranking data. Search volume history for 12 months. Typo error finder in keywords. Keyword positions history since start. Keyword cannibalization issue finder. Able to track multiple websites as projects. Automated scheduled reports. Instant keyword position finder. Email notification for various action on SERP. Tag management. Scheduled reports. Desktop and mobile tracking. Keyword overview and notes. Custom notifications.
Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 23 reviews on the Appsumo. G2 has only 10 reviews. And on Capterra, there are only 3 reviews.
So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10 discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh, wait. If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.